Are in full swing. Parents may be alarmed to learn just how easily their kids can get their hands on drugs.
Tonight, police met with parents and the community to talk about the growing use they're seeing in synthetic drug use. Fox 5's Doug Johnson joins us live in studio now with what parents need to know. Doug?
Yeah, well, John and Olivia, police say they're very concerned with the number of underage kids they see using synthetic drugs such as bath salts and spice, and now they're asking for parents to join in on the conversation with their kids.
Some bad drugs out there.
Henry Thorns, a father of 5, is one of dozens of parents who came to the Las Vegas Metro Police's first Tuesday meeting about narcotics kids and teens in the Valley are using.
I kind of heard of some of them, like the bath salt, kind of heard of that, but I didn't know the damage that it really does to kids, to human beings, point blank.
Synthetic drugs like bath salts and spice have police especially alarmed.
What this is doing inside of our brains, and especially developing brains, we have no idea.
That's because Metro Police Captain Larry Burns says the drugs are being homemade by amateur chemists.
Essentially, what they're looking for is really what we've found in the drug ecstasy, which is illegal everywhere, to adjust it just enough so that by the law, technically, it's not illegal.
Burns says that fact makes kids think they won't get in trouble if they use it.
For a number of years now, they've come legally out of smoke shops and off of shelves.
But now the law is trying to catch up, banning the drugs. Burns warns they have killed teens in our community and are extremely dangerous.
2 weeks ago, 2 of my officers and a supervisor responded to a call where a man was actually chewing as if to eat his arm.
For all drug use, there are several red flags parents should watch for.
Do they have bloodshot eyes? Do they have slurred speech? Is there a change in behavior?
Dr. Michael Levy runs the only outpatient private medical practice specializing in addictive treatment in Nevada.
In my opinion, the most basic means of addressing these issues is face-to-face communication.
That's something Thorns plans to do.
I'm going to have a talk with everybody because it's eating flush, it's eating noses, and I don't think people really know how bad this drug is.
Yeah, and certainly a lot of horror stories out there about these drugs. To give you an idea of just what they look like, some of the synthetic drugs, now we bought these back legally for other stories through over the years, and again, as soon as the law is passed to make these illegal, the manufacturers will just change a few of the ingredients and sell them again and again. And I know we've reported on this time and time again, but again, parents need to join the conversation, John and Olivia, and be part of this to let their kids know just how bad these things can be.
And as it's constantly changing, so tough for parents to know what they're looking for.
Yeah, exactly. And again, the internet has a lot of information out there for parents to get up on there, and they can also, of course, talk with police, but they're seeing it growing.
And nothing beats just sitting down with your kids and having a face-to-face over this.
Exactly.
It's very important. Doug, thanks.
Thanks, Doug.